Hey there everyone, and welcome to a brand new video here on EdTech. I am obsessed with musical instruments, and my passion for learning the piano led me on a quest for an affordable digital piano. This realization that quality comes at a hefty price pushed me to explore more alternatives, and that's when I stumbled upon this Kedence Dp01, a semi-weighted 88 key digital piano. Priced under 25,000 rupees with woodwork around it that looks beautiful when you see it. As I unboxed it, the weight of anticipation grew. What if I made the wrong choice? What if the tones and playability disappoint? With all that on my mind, I kept moving on. Assembling the piano will require a helping hand because the piano is super heavy.
The package included 4 legs, a power adapter, and elegant sustained pedals.
So after setup, I sat down and played the first chord. And my apprehensions unfolded.
The tones, while some are gimmicky, may not be as realistic as desired. Yet for those seeking an affordable at its best or a visually appealing piece, there it holds its appeal. Navigating the control panel on the left reveals functions like volume control, tones, and a handy metronome. Some unique features that I like include drum keys for a rhythmic touch, and the option to practice silently with headphones. Despite the 2 inbuilt speakers delivering loud sound, I usually keep it at 60% volume to maintain a soothing experience. The woodwork impresses for its price, and the keys provide satisfying feedback, but I'm afraid it's not good enough to impress a professional piano player.
Even though this piano offers more than 700 tones, it makes no sense to me because most of them are not very usable. If you're someone who wants to polish their piano skills with a more realistic playing approach, then I think Kedence Dp01 will serve you well. The Kedence Dp01 is available on Amazon. Find a link in the description down below. Personally, I acquired mine from an experience store, from Kedence Experience Store here in Delhi's Lajpat Nagar. They have live demos of all the instruments that they sell. While this video only scratches the surface, I will delve into more musical instruments in the upcoming content. Feel free to share your thoughts, and if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. Your love and support means the world to me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.